Safety and production concerns in traditional steep slope logging operations have led to the development of steep slope machine logging technology. An anchor is attached to the excavator in a fixed position called the base machine. It provides traction for the transport machine. The transporter uses tire chain and powerful hydraulic jaw. This constant tension control system keeps the steep slope machine, SSM, secure on the slope and maintains operator selected tension at all times. The constant tension system speed matches with the SSM machine also. In short, the SSM machine operator simply places the system in auto mode and the traction line does the rest. This allows the operator to focus on cutting and pulling trees. All winch functions are controlled from the right-hand joystick, so the operator's hands can stay on the joysticks for better comfort and productivity. There is a common misconception that steep slope machines are suspended and may fall or slide uncontrollably without the winch rope holding them in position. The winch rope is designed for traction assistance and does not hold the machine on the hillside. The winches function automatically during normal operations and are not under the control of the operator. The winches let line in or out as the operator moves the machine as they would in normal operations. Most equipment rollovers are caused by an initial loss of traction resulting in an uncontrolled gain in momentum. In SSM equipment, the wire rope assists so that the loss of traction does not occur. Plantmax is a machine that has been developed by Plantma AB for mechanized plantation of forestry seedlings. The machine will, in one pass, cultivate the ground, compact it, and plant a seedling. Under perfect conditions, the machine can plant over 40 seedlings/minute. Collect and store data of the operation. Development of the Plantma X started in 2018 and the first field tests were conducted late 2019. Base machine Eco Log 574E. Engine Volvo Penta 210 kilowatts. The operator in the cab of the forwarder runs the forwarder and is responsible for planning how to run the machine over the grounds that are to be planted. The same operator is also responsible for operating the scarifier and its adjustments. The rear bogie runs over the prepared ground and compacts it. The operator in the rear cab, the planting cab, is responsible for feeding plants from the cartons in the storage to the specially designed cups that take the seedling to the planting arm. This operator is also responsible for the planting results and can control the arms sideways, so the arms hit well-prepared ground. The actual planting cycle is triggered by the control system, which keeps track of the distance from the previous plant and triggers a new planting cycle when the distance that is set in the computer is achieved. A new type of forest machine is currently driving around the forests of Sweden. It combines a low-impact approach, increased productivity, and an improved operator environment and is the result of a major cooperative project that has been underway since 2019. The concept machine is called Centipede and it has been developed by 8 Swedish forestry companies and a forest machinery manufacturer. The machine is currently being test-driven and the results are promising. Centipede has been developed to meet the challenges of forestry and offers 3 important benefits: lower soil compaction, increased productivity, and better work environment. The machine is built to reduce the risk of ground damage, to increase transport speed and to reduce whole-body vibrations for the operator. The machine has a newly developed forestry track system, with a large support surface to minimize ground impact. It also has a fully suspended chassis to handle uneven ground conditions, enabling the speed of the machine to be increased significantly without the corresponding increase in vibrations. With this newly developed technology, Centipede can be driven both on sites that are normally regarded as winter sites and on sites that are significantly impacted by precipitation. In addition to being able to satisfy timber supply throughout the year and thus provide better prerequisites for profitable harvesting operations, Centipede has a number of characteristics that will directly increase production. As a result of its innovative design, Centipede can move around the terrain significantly faster and can carry a larger load than the Komatsu 855, which was used as the benchmark. Both of these characteristics create conditions for significant increases in productivity. In addition, Centipede has demonstrated in simulations that fuel consumption is reduced by up to 15% in soft terrain, which is also positive for both the environment and profitability. Loader rakes are designed to remove roots from the ground and also to pile up branches, logs or roots during a land cleaning application. Loader rakes are very helpful when the operation requests moving material and not the dirt. Application: designed to remove material and not dirt, such as roots, branches, and logs during a land cleaning application. Heavy-duty sharpened teeth. With a total of 7 teeth, each 50 mm, 2 in, wide and a specially designed attack angle, they are ready to work through any soil condition. Gussets located in both sides of the teeth are designed to deliver maximum resistance to the tool. Square torque tubes positioned along the frame of the rake help distribute loads and provide for a longer-lasting attachment. Serrated push plate located at the top center of the rake. This serrated plate functions to make material pushing easier, avoiding damage at the rake structure. Full-width top clamp style. Hydraulic top clamp spans the entire width of the rake. Get more wood to the landing faster in a stable machine with a roomy, comfortable environment for the operator. Advanced hydraulics speed up multifunctioning and cycle times and give you more lift capacity. Tilting cab and other access points cut the time needed for daily maintenance and servicing. Gross power, 225 horsepower. Number of cylinders, 6. Hydraulic system, pump output 58 gallons per minute. Ponsse Ergo is available in 6 or 8-wheel drive and has the option of Ponsse's proprietary active frame cabin suspension system, which ensures that lateral swings affecting the driver are eliminated. The Ergo stands at between 2630 and 3085 mm. It has 600 mm ground clearance, and has a typical weight of 21,500 g. It is fitted with a Mercedes-Benz EU Stage V/Tier 4 final 286 horsepower engine with advanced transmission for maximum machine control when working on uneven and steep ground. 2 cranes options are available: the C44 Plus parallel crane with 8.6, 10, or 11 m reach, and the C5 sliding boom crane with 8.6, 9.5 or 10 m reach. 3 Ponsse harvesting heads can be fitted. Ponsse's Opti information systems are designed to be user-friendly. Therefore, their design takes into account the wishes of drivers and the requirements of forest companies. Ponsse Opti has a system for forestry machinery as well as logging control and monitoring. With the easy-to-use programs of the Opti system, controlling, adjusting, managing the application files and calibrating the machine are convenient. The Ponsse Manager connects forest machines to an information network. Ponsse Manager, the modern digitalization platform for forest machines, enables comprehensive services now and in the future. The easy-to-use tool offers assistance in harvesting equipment maintenance and work planning, along with providing access to extensive reporting. As the seat in the Ergo cab turns around, the cab is very roomy with space for a passenger if needed. The seat itself gives sideways leveling, which is operated manually. The downside of this is the seat actually touches the side of the cab on steeper side slopes. The Komatsu 931X is a powerhouse offering considerable stability and low ground pressure. With 8 wheels, operator comfort is high, ground damage is reduced, and maneuverability is excellent in steep terrain. An impressive 200 knots of underlying tractive force and unique interaction between engine, control system, and power transmission. The hydrostatic, power-optimized transmission in the 931X enables full use of engine power, which is a great advantage when navigating gradients in difficult terrain. There are also several preset and task-specific driving modes. The result is maximized productivity and benefit from every ounce of horsepower and liter of diesel. Consumption. The 931XC comes with Komatsu's unique 3-pump hydraulics. This means that it offers the market's largest total hydraulic capacity of 736 liters. In addition, the unique pressure and flow optimization enables you to work significantly faster without losing power when using certain functions. On the contrary, you can now perform several crane and head functions simultaneously with maximum hydraulic power, such as slewing the crane, feeding a log, and maneuvering the machine with optimally low fuel. The disc trencher is a continuous double-row scarifier. The discs that do the trenching are basically an adaptation of agricultural discs. Trenchers are designated for stripping the soil before the preparation of regenerating the forest or artificial reforestation on heavy weeding or calamity sites. The disc trencher, TPF, 1N, hangs on a 3-point linkage to the farm tractor. Oil for powering the hydraulic motor is taken from the tractor's hydraulic power lift system by quick couplers. The minimum power oil supply is 40 L per minute. The double disc trencher, TPF-2, is adapted on skidding shield of skidder or on a 3-point linkage to a farm tractor with a power output of more than 60 kilowatts. Suitable site conditions. Sites that have medium moisture content are best for the disc trencher. It should not be used on sites that are wet. Disc trenchers can be pulled through light and medium slash. Heavy slash will greatly reduce disc trencher effectiveness. Equipment specifications. A disc trencher has 2 rotating, spring-loaded discs, each with approximately 10 teeth on its perimeter. The discs are mounted on each side of a steel box frame. The discs face outward and forward on the frame. Models are available with freely rotating discs or power-driven discs. Disc trenchers weigh from 2 1/4 to 3 1/2 tons, are about 8 feet wide and 7 feet long. They requires a prime mover, either a crawler or a skidder, of 120 horsepower, or more. Operational techniques. When pulled through a reforestation area, the discs rotate outward forming 2 parallel furrows approximately 6 feet apart. To the outside of each furrow, side cast material forms a loose berm containing organic matter, mineral soil, and slash. Furrows are about 6 inches deep but can be made deeper by adding weight to the machine or by changing the angle of the discs. Some models provide downward pressure from the prime mover which will also deepen the furrow. The models that have power-driven discs can go through more material and provide a deeper furrow than the freely rotating disc models. Advantages: high productivity and low cost. Provides a well-defined planting trail. Provides a good choice of planting spots. Very versatile. Disadvantages: works poorly in heavy slash. High rocks or stumps reduce production. Not suited for shallow or excessively stony soils. Forest mounders tool are used to create humus mounds with mineral soil cover, which means optimum planting spots. A standard excavator bucket is effective for creating peat mounds, and a mounding rake enables operators to move slash and debris more easily to the side. A dozer with a mounding attachment, e.g., a UOT Mounder M22, can only be used on sites with slopes less than 30%. Mounder M22. Automatic management with 4 preset modes. Mounder is built of best available materials, strengths and hardox. Pins are hardened, very durable and long-lasting. Hydraulic cylinders are equipped with brakes. Double row mounder with disc size is 75 centimeters in radius. Required a hydraulic oil flow from 100 L/min. Distance between rows, 2-2.2 m. The distance between the planting spots is adjustable. Adjustable disc angle. Adjustable disc rotation speed. Powerful hydraulic motors. Mounder's weight, 2,200 kilograms. Average soil preparation speed, 1 hectare per HRS. In undeveloped countries, they often burn forests to reclaim land. This method is very primitive and risks losing control. Mulching machines with modern technology provide outstanding performance. They clean plants and vines, and shred remaining stumps. Not only does it make the soil loose, but it also retains all the nutrients for the soil. Chain wheels help the machine have outstanding operating range even on steep slopes. Raptor 800. Performance and efficiency, for the toughest challenges in the world. Specially developed for the most difficult tasks, such as heavy land clearing, vegetation management around pipelines and power lines, the creation of fire breaks and recultivation work in professional plantations and forestry, the Raptor 800 perfectly combines performance and functionality. The design and production of Raptor 800 are completely made in Germany. Everything is designed for durability, productivity, and ease of servicing, down to the smallest of details. Combine this machine with M900 mulcher to create an unrivaled colossus, which offers maximum convenience. Kinetic K437. The small forest machine was designed in Finland, suitable for sparse forests. Weight 3,500 kilograms. Load capacity 4,000 kilograms. Width 1.92 m. Engine Yanmari 36 horsepower. Crane Country 550 master reach 5.5 m. Grapple 0.17. Warm cabin. Dual drive devices. Grammar fabric seat. Valve 2/9 on OFF with all functions in handles including support legs. Tires 31x15, 50-15 width 38 cm, height 78 cm. Kranman 960. It is the result of over 10 years of active development and use of crane forwarder. It is 100% manufactured and constructed in Sweden. In this machine, we have chosen a powerful diesel engine from Kubota. It is a 4-cylinder engine with 1.5 liters displacement. The engine in combination with the powerful driveline and the large wheels gives the machine extreme off-road characteristics. The driveline consists of a double hydrostat, where a pump goes to the front wheels, and one for the rear wheels and one for the crane and steering. The machine has 6-wheel drive on high and low gears. In the transport gear it is front-wheel drive. The rear is Kranman's well-proven FlexiDrive X drive system with bubble drive motors. Some benefits of this is a very reliable and proven system, easy to maintain. It is possible to mount bogie band and to be able to transport the forwarder on a dolly behind the car. The spacious cabin and the arched window, you get a very good all-round view. The very comfortable chair is air suspension and flat suspension with servo levers located in the armrests. You control both the crane and the machine steering. The servo hydraulics make the crane easy to operate and are very reliable. Crane KX50 Extreme Series. The crane is developed with a focus on strength and optimized movement pattern. For point joint and fast extension, the forwarding is efficient and easy. Powerful crane winch HV1000 is mounted a machine. PONSSE Mammoth Forwarder, an unprecedented load carrying. The PONSSE Mammoth Forwarder, powerful in terms of productivity, expands PONSSE's forwarder range to the new category of 25-ton load carrying capacity. Equipped with the stepless continuously variable transmission (CVT) system and the Ponsse K437 loader, the Mammoth's sturdy frame structures and super-strong hydraulics ensure that large stems and heavy loads can be transported effortlessly, even in the most challenging terrain. Ergonomics addressed in every detail in the Mammoth's development. In the PONSSE Mammoth Forwarder, operator ergonomics has been addressed every step of the way. The new forwarder offers the highest productivity when driving distances are long. Less driving is required because more stems can be transported each time. One of the most prominent new features is the PONSSE Active Seat, developed according to forest machine operators' requests. The new active seat improves usability, as it turns and follows the work environment according to crane movements, increasing the forest machine operator's productivity. The PONSSE Mammoth can be equipped with PONSSE Active Cabin, an effective cabin suspension system with a simple structure. It helps forest machine operators keep going, even during longer shifts, by suspending any stress on the cabin. The Mammoth can be equipped with a long rear frame, which enables the transport of oversized stems at plantations in South America. The PONSSE Active Crane is a loader control system for forwarders, with which the operator controls grapple movements instead of individual functions, allowing the operator to concentrate effectively on working with the loader. Active crane is easily controlled using two levers, one of which controls the grapple height from the ground, and the other the direction of movement.